Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cadence in Salesforce. Cadence is a powerful tool that automates your sales outreach, guiding your team through a structured sequence of activities. Imagine consistent follow-ups and timely engagements, all without manual tracking. It helps streamline your sales process, ensuring no prospect falls through the cracks. This guide will show you how to leverage Cadence for maximum efficiency and improved results. Creating your first Cadence is straightforward. First, navigate to the Sales Engagement app within Salesforce. Then, simply click on the Cadences tab and select New Cadence. You'll define your target audience and the specific goal for your outreach. Next, you'll add various steps, such as pre-written email templates, effective call scripts, and clear task assignments. This structured approach ensures every interaction is purposeful and consistent. Once your cadence is set up, enrolling prospects is the next crucial step. You can easily add leads, contacts, or even person accounts directly from a list view or their individual record pages. Simply select the desired individuals and choose the appropriate cadence from your available options. As prospects move through the sequence, you can monitor their progress and engagement, ensuring timely follow-ups and personalized interactions every step of the way. To truly maximize your sales effectiveness, it's essential to continuously monitor and optimize your cadences. Review the detailed cadence reports to track key metrics, such as email open rates and response times. Identify which steps are most successful and where improvements can be made. Consider /B testing different email templates or call scripts to refine your approach. By consistently analyzing and adjusting, you'll ensure your cadences are always performing at their peak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.